A very good morning to my dear students of class 8. Today we'll start the French Revolution from chapter 3. Like the American Revolution, the French Revolution of 1789 was also a milestone and a major turning point in human history. Now let's talk about the causes of the French Revolution. The first point is an unequal, unjust social order. So, the political and social system of France before the French Revolution of 1789 was known as the Ancient Regime. The French society was basically feudal in nature, and it was divided into three main classes, and these classes were called estates. In the first estate, there was clergy. Okay, clergy means the priest or official, church officials. The second estate consisted of the nobles and their families, means the aristocracy. They occupied the second position, and the second position in the French society. And in the third state, means the third state, in the third state they are means the population, the major population belonged to the third state, and it included the peasants, artisans, workers, and the middle class. Now the first and the second estates in the French society belong to the privileged class. Okay, they enjoyed numerous privileges in the society. They owned all the land in France, but they did not have to pay any taxes. They were immune. Okay, the first state and the second states were immune from paying taxes. They were very wealthy, and they led a comfortable and luxurious lives. On the other hand, the third estate had to pay all the taxes in the French society, and they did not have any privileges like the clergy and the nobles. And the taxes were imposed on everything, including basic necessities like salt. Their life was very hard, especially for the poor peasants, because they had to pay additional taxes to their feudal lords. Now our next point is growing power of the middle class. In the 18th century, the middle class in the French society became quite economically powerful. Okay, the French merchants, traders, manufacturers, lawyers, doctors, teachers, and other professionals belonged to this middle class. But they did not have any social equality and political rights in the French society before the French Revolution, of course, and this caused great resentment among them. Now they wanted to overthrow the ancient regime by using their economic power. Our next point is influence of new ideas. Some of the great political philosophers like Voltaire, Rousseau, and Montesquieu, by their revolutionary writings and ideas, started to inspire the revolutionaries of France. The middle class people was very inspired by the revolutionary ideas of liberty, equality, fraternity, and popular sovereignty. Through the writings, the philosophers started to expose the evils of French society and government. They inspired a lot. Okay, the French philosophers inspired a lot the revolutionaries of France, and the people, they started to revolt and fight for their rights. Our next point is an autocratic absolute monarchy. The French king was an autocrat. He had supreme power. He enjoyed absolute powers, and his will was law. He was not answerable to anyone. He had the divine right, okay, and he was answerable only to God, not to the people. Next point is inefficient, corrupt administration. Because of the absolutism, because of the absolute monarchical system in France, the administration became quite corrupt, inefficient. The officials were selfish. They did not have any interest for the welfare of the common people. During this time, the King Louis XVI was the French king. He was pleasure loving. Okay, he was completely ignorant. He was indifferent to the suffering of the common people. Okay, he wasted lots of money on festives and pleasure with his wife Marie Antoinette. Okay, he totally emptied the whole royal treasury of France. Next point is influence of the American Revolution. The French generals and soldiers had fought in the American Revolution. Okay, when they returned to France with their revolutionary ideas, they inspired the common people of France to fight against their government, against the autocratic system of France. Okay, the success of the American revolutionaries inspired the French people. Okay, influenced the French people, and the French people they were very encouraged for their rebel now.